Hello friends, Tecno Spark 5 Pro landed in Pakistan a few days ago with a 5000 mAh battery. It belongs to an entry-level segment and comes with a price tag of 20,000 rupees in Pakistan. Today we are going to test its battery and find out how long it takes to charge and drain. It comes with a usual charger that provides 2 ampere output and there is no fast charging support. Let's start our test. Guys, if you are on my channel for the first time, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for getting mobile test videos. Our first test is charging the device from 0 to 100%. Tecno Spark 5 Pro took 4 hours and 24 minutes to fully charge its battery, which is the longest duration we have experienced so far in our tests. If we compare it with the Tecno's own PhoneYear 4 that has a 6000 mAh battery, the Spark 5 Pro loses here because PhoneYear 4 took 3 hours and 56 minutes in the same test. I really hope it performs similarly during our drain test and takes the longest to exhaust the battery. Let's begin the drain test by running a 1080p video back to back. We have turned off the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Both the SIM cards are inside. The brightness level is at 50% and the volume is at maximum. So finally, Tecno Spark 5 Pro took 15 hours and 2 minutes to exhaust the entire battery, which is a good time. Now let's check the battery by running popular social media apps and see how much battery each app consumes in 30 minutes. We will run this test on mobile data. Tecno Spark 5 Pro drained 33% battery in total during 4 hours of consistent usage. Once again, the battery consumption is great in this test as well, and we are pretty sure that this phone is going to give a good battery backup, not to mention it takes a really long time to charge the battery, which looks a bit of annoyance. So friends, this was the complete battery test of Tecno Spark 5 Pro. These findings are based on our personal experience and may vary a little at your end. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for watching similar videos. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.